Let's go through some more nickels to find something for our album.
Over a cud, over a...
Oh, sweet!
Yeah, this year, so you flip it over like that.
The Benjamin!
N.A. Ono silver quarter from 19...
Hello everyone and welcome to New Ms. Nate. I'll be hunting boxes 75 and 76 on the year in nickels. And before we do, let's go ahead and take a look at our album. Alright, here it is. Here is the first half. Only missing 4 coins. Here's the middle half, missing 2 coins. And in the third half, we have no coins missing at all. So let's go through box 75 to see if we can fill one of these 6 spots. Roll 4, and we have our first find, a 1956 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 10, and we have another older Jefferson. This time it's a 1942 from Philadelphia, not silver. Roll 11, and we have a 1949 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 13, and we have 2 finds. First, a 1952 Jefferson from Denver, and then further down, a 1959 Jefferson from Denver as well. Roll 19, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 20, and we have 2 finds. First, a 1941 Jefferson from Philadelphia, and then directly behind that is a 1940 Jefferson from Philadelphia as well. Roll 23, and we have a 1946 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Halfway done with the box, and we have a Ender coin. It is a 1941 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 26, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 32, and we have 2 finds. First, a 1941 Jefferson from Philadelphia, and then further back, a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 40, and we have a 1955 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 41, and we have a 1942 Jefferson from Philadelphia, non-silver. Roll 46, and we have a 1957 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Alright, box 75 is done, and really all we got were a bunch of older Jeffersons, so hopefully box 76 will be a bit better and give us maybe some silver. Let's go ahead and I'll bring you in on our first find. Roll 1, and we actually have a silver ender in roll 35, but in this roll, we have a buffalo nickel. First coin I see is a buffalo nickel from 1934 Philadelphia. Very nice. Roll 7, and we have 2 finds. First, a 1953 Jefferson from Denver. Pretty nice coin, actually. And then further down, a 1939 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 8, and this could be an addition. A 1951 Jefferson. Will it have a mint mark? Yes, but not the right one. 1951 Denver. Roll 9, and we got silver. There's the other silver too in roll 35, but we got this one, Philadelphia, 1943. Roll 11, and we have 2 finds. First, a 1957 Jefferson from Denver, and then second, a 1946 Jefferson, pretty corroded, from Philadelphia, nope, Denver. Roll 12, and we have a 1956 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 15, and we have a 1948 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 16, we have 2 finds. First, a 1957 Jefferson from Denver, and then over here, a 1958 Jefferson from Denver as well. Roll 17, and we have a 1941 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 18, 2 more finds. We have a 1941 Jefferson from San Francisco. And then one coin back, a 1952 Jefferson from San Francisco as well. Roll 19, I believe exactly 10 rolls from the last silver, we got another one. This time it's a 1945 from Philadelphia. Very nice. Roll 21, and we have multiple finds. First, we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Sorry for the shaking. I feel like I'm just shaking a lot. Second find, a 1952 Jefferson from Philadelphia. And then the last one's in the very back, 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 24, and we have our first Canadian of this box. This is a Diadem obverse from 1996. Roll 26, and we have a San Francisco mint mark. If this is a 1951, we need it for the book. Nope, 1947. Roll 27, and we have two finds. First, we have a 1955 Jefferson from Denver, and then the Ender coin was actually a 1954 Jefferson from San Francisco. Same roll, roll 27, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. It was actually the coin right behind the 1955. Roll 32, and we have a 1954 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 34, one roll away from that silver war nickel ender, and we have a 1954 Jefferson from San Francisco. Alright, roll 35 is that silver war nickel ender. This is war nickel 3 for this box. It's a 1943 from San Francisco. Very nice. Roll 36, and we have two finds. First, a 1940 Jefferson. Looks like he got a little bit of a snot problem there from Denver. And then in the middle of the roll, I noticed we had a penny, a 1981 copper penny. Not very nice. Roll 37, and we have a 1953 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 39 took me a little bit, but this coin is actually older. 1959 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 42, and we have two finds. First, a 1952 Jefferson from Philadelphia, and then one coin behind that, a 1947 Jefferson from Philadelphia as well. Roll 43, and we have a 1948 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Alright, box 76 is done, and it was a lot better than the first box. A whole bunch of these older Jeffersons. Buffalo, 1939, 3 silvers, including one of them being an ender, a Canadian nickel, and the only bad thing about this box is that we lost 4 cents. So overall, I'm not complaining at all. Let's go ahead and move to the silver jar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. I was definitely not expecting for us to get 3 silvers for the jar.